Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So also on episode 2 season 6 of Uthando Nes'thembu, a huge bombshell was dropped once again by Musa that Mangwabe and Mayeni knew each other before Musa took Mangwabe and made her his fourth wife, you guys. As soon as Musa revealed that he thinks that Mayeni is still hurt by the fact that he married Mangwabe, who appeared to have a close and have a history with Mayeni, Mayeni broke down crying, you guys. You could see now that Mayeni still hasn't recovered from that pain, the pain of knowing someone Kanti, that person will backstab her and become her sister wife, you guys. Now, they did not mention much as to how Mayeni and Mangwabe knew if each other before Mangwabe came into the Mseleku household and married Mayeni's husband, Musa Mseleku. Mayeni said to Musa, her husband, that she always is thrown and dragged into the mix by Musa whenever Mangwabe misbehaves and disrespects him, you guys. Musa always finds a way to blame Mayeni. Mayeni told Musa that he does not want her to express her feelings towards him in certain issues. And you guys, it seems like Musa Mseleku did not give a damn at all about what Mayeni is saying to him. So Mayeni had to stop her diary sessions, you guys, because she could no longer further explain as she further broke down and cried. She asked to stop her diary session as she said that there's a lot happening that she cannot talk about at the moment. And that was the most heartbreaking moment for viewers seeing Mayeni like that, you guys. Now that's it for today. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.